Good day, everyone, fellow Hero Questers and YouTubers. I'm Duke Blitzeins. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom utility bag for Tabletop Simulator. So here is a mod here that I have created for Hero Quest. As you can see, there's quite a few expansions, and I've got several different custom-made utility bags. All of these ones with the sides are just vague, where versus these ones here with the 3D sides, those were made by someone else, maybe Mr. Stump, maybe Sebi, I'm not sure. But the custom utility bags that I'm making are quick. They're made from tiles and tokens. So if we flip this one here, it's locked, so I'm going to unlock it, pressing L, and flip it over. Oops, I unlocked it. Nope. Okay, there's unlocked. Now I flip it. This custom utility bag is made from a let me make sure I get it right. A tile, which is double-sided. So you can see, you flip this over, you have a bit of the description on the back. The beauty of the custom utility boxes that I'm going to be showing you how to make is that they're quick. You make them from tiles and tokens, whereas this one took some 3D editing and it took a little more, took some more time. You know, I had to make a six-sided shape and import all the planes and images and shrink wrap them to the object, and it's more time consuming. But of course, it's better looking. But if you need something quick, then using a tile or a token is better. And the reason you want to use these utility bags is because uh, they have some incredible flexible scripting. Let me show you. Okay, this one, sure. So if I unlock this and move it, you can see that there's two more buttons. There's a move and a setup. Whereas if you use like a memory bag, let me get one, show you. Well, the move button lets you just rearrange stuff. Uh, Now let's see. Okay, let's get some components. I'm gonna explain to you. So a memory bag, I go setup. 1, 2, 3, submit. Recall, place. That's it. You with a memory bag, you cannot add more objects to what's already existing. If you want to add more objects, you have to reset the whole thing. Setup, reset. Now you add more objects. But with these utility bags, you can move the objects around and you can add new ones, and you can, there's another option. Let me, if you go setup, if you take, there's a little bit of a bug. When you go, okay, you want to lock this first before using it. When you press setup, there's other, if we add this and recall it, and then we press setup again, we have some new options. which the memory bag does not have. We've got add, and we've got set new, and, and remove. So these are more flexible. So you definitely want to use these. This is a great way to speed up the process of setting up stuff and managing your stuff. So let's get on to how to make one of these custom utility bags. You'll need, let's see, you'll need about 3 things. You're going to need Atom. There's a video on YouTube by Dr. B06 that explains how to get Atom and what to do, and how to use it. And I've got a comment here that I used this video, and I noticed that you'll need to install the official Tabletop Simulator Lua plugin by Berserk Games to see Tabletop Simulators listed in packages. So to make custom utility bags, I go to just a smaller table to work with, like here. Then you're gonna need a component called make it a bag. You can download this. I'll put the link for this in the description. Make it a bag. You'll need a utility bag with the scripting in it. So let's take this one. Okay. You'll need to make a token or a tile with the images onto it. Let's go with a token. Now you have a choice of how tall you want the token to be. If you're consistent with this height, then you can put the tokens beside each other, and you can hide some of the buttons that aren't being used very often. So we'll need an image. So I don't know. Ooh. Okay, let's say this is a utility bag storing a pirate ship and its crew and its cargo. So let's open this. Import. There. So now this is just a regular token. You flip it over. Not that much to it. But in order for a utility bag to be the scripting to work, it needs to be a memory bag. So we put the tile on here and we click create bag. There. Now this is a bag. When I mouse over it, you can see the brown bag. I can go right click search, and there's nothing in it. So now we don't need this. We can delete this. It's locked. Delete it. We're going to need to give this a name. So we'll call it ship. We're going to save the object. Save it. And we're also going to save making a custom utility bag tutorial. Okay. Now we're ready to go. We'll go into Atom. Now there's no scripts loaded. Once you follow instructions on Dr. B06's video that I showed you, you'll be able to go to packages, go to Tabletop Simulator, get Lua scripts, get scripts. You'll see the Jungles of Deltharak utility bag. This is the script that does all the work. Uh, Now there's two people who did the bulk, the backbone of the coding for it, Mr. Stump and Direct Sun. And then I modified some parameters in this script so that the buttons would be close to the utility bag. Because without this, my parameters being modified, the buttons are really far from the bags, and it has taken up too much space. So what you'll do is you'll want to copy this entire script. Copy. Okay. Now we don't see what is this called? Ship. We don't see any script for the ship in the atom. So to get the script for that, we right click on the ship and we go scripting editor. Now we can see ship.a73 f7.ttslau. We also see ship.7a. We want to use the STTS Tabletop Simulator Lua. Now we paste that script into this section, and then we go packages, save and play. We'll see sending 4 files, received 4 files, tabs, blah blah blah. 0 open, 1 removed. Now, when we go back to the game, we can see that this memory bag has a setup button. And that's it, folks. That's how you create a custom utility bag in Tabletop Simulator. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you found it helpful, uh, please like. Thank you very much.